In this short, we're going to look at the supply and demand confirmation entry. First, we have to identify that valid area of supply. When the market breaks down and removes the low of this bullish candle, this will leave behind a valid area of supply. We can see the market pulls back into that supply, and it's right here where we'll look at the confirmation entry. And it's here on the lower time frame we look for that confirmation entry. We look for the market to come out of that higher time frame zone of supply to break some market structure, leaving behind this fresh area of supply where we see the market pulls back into for optimal entry to catch the trade to the downside. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you want to catch the full video on this supply and demand confirmation entry, subscribe to the channel today.